Day 2 of the Bang Bung Fai festival. We're just walking down now. We got up nice and early this morning when the cockerels were crowing, as you do when you're out in the rural parts of Thailand. And breakfast consisted of fresh mango, sunflowers, and of course a couple of bottles of Leo just to wash it down with. It's a state diet out here of beer, really. Right, so we're heading back down where all the music is. Let me just spin the camera around. So everyone in the village is sort of just wandering down. As you see yesterday from the video, lots of singing in the streets, lots of dancing in the streets, drinking in the streets. It's a festival of awakening the rain god and looking for a good festival for the forthcoming season. Being the only Malang in the village, or foreigner in the village, should I say, I'm a target for all the water hoses and anyone that's throwing water around. Very, very warm again. It's got to be up in the 40s. So let's see what happens a bit further down. I think a lot of this video, part 2, will be, I would have to turn the volume down or turn the sound off because it is very, very, very loud. As I understand today, it's all about dancing. So let's see what part 2 brings. It's got to be said that when the Thais have a festival, they really enjoy themselves and they really put heart and soul into it. So, and it's a community thing. So the music's getting a bit loud now, so let's see how far we can go with it. As I say, this is just a village festival. It's very, it goes all over northern Thailand and East End. So everyone's here again. This is the start of it. Waffle man. All the stalls set up. Everyone congregated under the trees for shade. I walked up the road and this is where they launched the rockets from. So rockets or fireworks, basically it's a bamboo pole stuffed with gunpowder, a couple of aerofoils on, and away it goes. So what's happening now, I've got a little bit of a privileged seat. They've asked me to go forward. They've said to me, come up, get a ring-size seat. So this is the launch site. Yeah. Okay. As I say, I'm getting a VIP treatment at the moment. Of course, everything here is, there is no health and safety. It is, they strap a bit of bamboo to a makeshift guide, set light to the fuse and see what happens. But this is what the guys are doing at the moment. You say that the guide or the stand at the moment is bamboo. They've set the rocket to the stand. They've all started retreat because either it goes bang or it goes up in the air. They're just tracking the where it comes down, and I think it's come down in the hills. Let me just spin round. It's come down in the hills over there somewhere, so everyone was happy with the launch. Now, as I said, this the Bang Bung Fai festival is for good luck for the forthcoming month. These being a rural area and all farmers, and they rely on their rice and their sugar. This is appeasing the gods, waking the gods up to give them rain and letting them have a good harvest throughout the year. So that's what it's all about. So these are the rockets being made here, look. Well, basically it's tin cans strapped to a bamboo pole stuffed with gunpowder. So how rudimentary can you be on that? This is the guy that's got the black powder, look. He rams it up the tin cans. These, what you can see there, silver, is tin cans. And he rams, look, here we go, he rams the gunpowder in the tin cans that are strapped to the bamboo pole. There's a monk here who blesses the rockets. I mean, quite impressive. These things go thousands of feet in the air, and all they are is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tin cans, all stuck together with silver tape. Pyrotechnics, as we know it, doesn't come into it here. This is like pure rudimentary firework display. He's stuffing gunpowder up there to give it propulsion up in the air. This is, I think I'm very, very lucky to see this. Being the only Falang in the village, as I keep saying, and I know I'm repeating myself and I apologise for that, but I tend to get a ringside seat on everything at the moment. And say there's no one else in the village or European in the village except me. So this is it. So this just proves to you that stuffing a load of tin cans, empty bean cans, with gunpowder as propulsion can work and make a superb rocket. As I say, that last one went up thousands of foot, you just couldn't even see it. Look, these guys have been doing it for a long, long time and they know exactly what to do. They've got just cloth wadding to ram the gunpowder into the can. As I say, sometimes it goes bang and it all goes wrong, and sometimes it goes flying up in the air. So this is good. Just to give you a clue, you know, this is where we are in the rural Thailand. Nothing for miles and miles and miles. And so there you had the Bang Bung Fai, which is the tradition around here. So you find this in rural Thailand rather than metropolitan Thailand, where down in Bangkok you have to come north. So just something different.
I feel good when I'm with you.
So that's it. Bang Bung Fai is over. We're now walking home. The sun is just setting, and everyone's had a really good time celebrating Bang Bung Fai in the village. Amazing how the villagers all come together on this celebration. They all turn up. So the village is not exceptionally big, probably about 1,000 people, I suppose. But they all come together, enjoy themselves, and dance, drink, and be merry. There was a couple of little altercations, but you can expect that through drink. But that was swiftly dealt with by the local guys. So they didn't have to draw their truncheons or their shotguns or whatever, but because they were drunk, that's it. They just got thrown out. But other than that, it was a good day, good 2 days, festival. I may be talking a little bit slow. I'm trying to be a little bit coherent because it's obviously a very wet affair. And can I ask you to smash that subscribe button because it really helps me out on that algorithm with YouTube. It doesn't cost you 1 penny. You won't get no wonky emails, I promise you. And then until the next time, stay safe and I'll see you later on.